The design principle of proximity is about grouping or placing related elements together, or creating visual connections. This design principle is also sometimes known by the title of unity. A layout typically comprises of several elements on a page or screen. A designer will work to create connections between related elements on a layout. There are many ways of creating connections. The 5 most effective include using colour to group related elements, using text wrap to connect body text to a related image, using the element of line to connect 2 elements, using flow text along a path to wrap a text element to an image, or using the principle of alignment to connect elements. Done badly, the elements can seem scattered randomly and unconnected to each other. When the design principle of proximity is not used, a layout will lack impact. Elements will feel isolated. Using the principle of proximity, elements will combine to reinforce a message. Graphic designers always use proximity in layouts to help guide their audience to key messages.